Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Today we have a very simple and very useful lesson for you. We are talking about English conversation at a coffee shop. This is real-life English. This is English you can use today. You do not need big words. You do not need fast speech. You just need calm practice. You can do this.
Hello, everyone. We are happy you are here. Many people feel nervous in a coffee shop. They want coffee, but English feels scary. Maybe the menu is in English. Maybe the worker speaks fast. Maybe you feel shy. This is normal. Today we help you feel calm. We help you speak with confidence, step by step, slow and clear.
Let me tell you a small story. Imagine this. You walk into a coffee shop, you smell coffee, you hear people talk. A person behind a counter smiles and says something. Your mind goes blank. You think, oh no, what do I say? Your heart beats fast. This happens to many people, not just you. Today, we fix this problem together.
Yes, we promise you something. After this lesson, you will know what to say. You will know how to order coffee. You will know how to answer simple questions. You will feel better. You will feel stronger. English is a skill. Skills grow with practice. Let us start slow.
First, we say hello. In a coffee shop, people are friendly. You can say hello. You can say hi. These are easy words. Hello, hi. Repeat after me. Hello. Good. Hi. Very good.
When you go to the counter, the worker may say, "Hi, what can I get for you?" This is a very common question. It means, what do you want? That is all, not scary, just a question. What can I get for you? Let us say it slowly. What can I get for you?
Now, how do you answer? You can start with, I would like. This is a very polite and very common phrase. I would like. Repeat after me. I would like. Good. You can also say, can I have? This is also polite. Can I have? Repeat. Can I have? Nice.
Let us use these words with coffee. You can say, I would like a coffee. Simple. Or you can say, can I have a coffee? Both are good. Both are correct. Not this, coffee, just one word, but this, I would like a coffee, full and polite.
Let us practice together. Repeat after me slowly. I would like a coffee. Good. Again, I would like a coffee. Very nice. Now the other way. Can I have a coffee? Good. Again, can I have a coffee?
In a coffee shop, there are different drinks, coffee, tea, latte, cappuccino. But today, simple is best. Coffee, tea. You can also say a small coffee or a big coffee. In some places, people say small and large. Small means not big, large means big.
Listen and repeat. A small coffee. Good. A large coffee. Good. You can say, I would like a small coffee, or can I have a large coffee? Easy, clear, calm.
The worker may ask another question. They may say, for here or to go. This question means, will you drink here or will you take it away? For here means you sit and drink in the shop. To go means you take it with you.
This question can feel hard, but the answers are easy. You can say, for here, please, or to go, please. Repeat after me. For here, please. Good. To go, please. Nice and clear.
Sometimes the worker asks, anything else? This means, do you want more? Maybe a cookie, maybe another drink. If you want nothing more, you can say, no, thank you. This is polite. Repeat, no, thank you.
If you want something more, you can say, yes, please, then say the item. For example, yes, please, a cookie. Simple, not long, not hard.
Now let's do a small practice. Emily is the worker. I am the customer.
Hi, what can I get for you?
I would like a small coffee, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Perfect. Very good. This is a full, natural conversation. Not hard, just practice.
Now, let's slow it down and practice with you. Repeat after Emily.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Pause and repeat. Good.
I would like a large coffee, please.
Pause. Say it. Nice.
For here or to go?
Pause.
To go, please.
Pause.
Anything else?
Pause.
No, thank you.
Great job. You are doing well. Remember, you do not need fast English. Slow is good. Clear is good.
Now, let us talk about payment. The worker may say, that will be $5. This means the price is $5. They may also say, it is $5. Both mean the same. You can say, okay, or here you go, when you give money.
If you pay by card, you can say, by card, please. If you pay by cash, you can say, by cash, please. Simple words. Repeat. By card, please. Good. By cash, please. Nice.
The worker may say, please wait here, or your coffee will be ready soon. This means you wait a little time. You can smile and say, okay, thank you.
Thank you is very important. Say thank you many times. Thank you when you order. Thank you when you get your drink. Thank you is kind. Repeat. Thank you. Thank you.
Now let's look at some common mistakes. Mistake number 1, saying only one word. For example, just coffee. This sounds rude or strange. Not this, coffee, but this. I would like a coffee.
Mistake number 2, feeling scared and saying nothing. Silence can feel heavy. If you forget words, just say, sorry, or one moment, please. These words help you breathe. Repeat, sorry. One moment, please.
Mistake number 3, speaking too fast. When you speak fast, words mix. Slow is better. Slow shows confidence. You can pause. Pauses are okay.
Now, let's do a longer real-life conversation. Listen first, then we repeat.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a large coffee, please?
Sure. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Anything else?
Yes, please. A small cookie.
No problem. That will be $6.
Okay, by card, please.
Please wait here. Your coffee will be ready soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is a full, natural conversation. Not hard, just practice.
Now let us practice together again. Repeat after me, line by line. Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Pause and repeat.
I would like a large coffee, please.
Pause and repeat.
For here or to go?
Pause.
For here, please.
Pause.
Anything else?
Pause.
Yes, please. A small cookie.
Pause.
That will be $6.
Pause.
By card, please.
Pause.
Thank you. Very good. You are learning real English. English you can use today.
Let's recap slowly. Hello and hi are greetings. I would like and can I have are for ordering. For here or to go is about where you drink. No thank you means nothing more. Thank you shows kindness. These words are your tools.
Say them again with us. I would like, can I have, for here, to go, no thank you, thank you. Good.
Remember, you are not wrong for learning. Mistakes are part of learning. Every strong speaker was once a beginner. You are brave. You are learning.
Next time you go to a coffee shop, take a breath. Smile. Use one sentence. That's enough. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English.
We believe in you. Practice with us again and again. Play this lesson many times. Speak out loud. Your voice matters.
Thank you for learning with us today. You are doing great. Keep going.